Hello friends, welcome to Inspire Education. Today we are going to see what a descending continuation triangle pattern is. A descending continuation pattern triangle pattern is a bearish signal indicating the current downtrend may continue. ये एक bearish signal है जो कि downtrend को signify करता है and it is a continuation pattern. Therefore, it signifies the current downtrend may continue. It features two converging trend lines. The first converging trend line and the second trend line. The bottom trend line is horizontal and the top trend line slopes downwards. The bottom trend line as is visible in the chart is horizontal levels पे है और जो top trend line है that is declining downwards or sloping downwards. The pattern displays lows occurring at a constant price level. The lows are occurring at the constant price level. This is the first low and the second low, both almost at the same price levels, and the high is moving constantly low. The highs are moving constantly low because the upper trend line is sloping downwards. This is the first high and the second high is far more lower than the first high. Two highs touching the upper trend line and two lows touching the lower trend line. Two highs, first high and second high touching the upper trend line, and two lows, first low and second low touching the lower trend line. Pattern is confirmed when the price breaks out of the triangle to close below the lower trend line. This is the lower trend line. When the price breaks out this level, इस level को break out करके triangle formation को complete करता है, at this point the pattern completes itself and a sell signal is generated and the downtrend starts to continue itself. The consolidation phase gets over and the downtrend signifies itself. There are some other things which are important in the pattern. The occurrence of a breakout. The occurrence of a breakout should occur well before the formation of the apex. ये जो दो trend lines converge करके ये triangle का apex form कर रही है, इस point पे उससे कहीं पहले ब्रेकआउट आ जाना चाहिए. जितना गैप ब्रेकआउट में और एपेक्स में है उतना रिलायबल पैटर्न है, जितने क्लोज ये दोनों हैं उतना पैटर्न कम रिलायबल है. सो द ब्रेकआउट शुड take place well before the formation of the apex. The closer the breakout to the apex, the less reliable the pattern is considered. Talking about the durations, the pattern faces the duration is from 1 month to 3 months. 1 to 3 months का time duration रहता है इस pattern को form होने में. It's a short term pattern. Talking about the shape of the pattern, the horizontal bottom trend line need not be completely horizontal. ये जो lower trend line है ये completely horizontal है ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है. It could be slanting a little bit. Talking about the volumes that the pattern faces, the volume should be decreasing throughout the pattern formation of the pattern, and there should be a spurt in the volumes at this breakout level, signifying the aggressiveness of the sellers, so that the pattern can be considered reliable. Coming on to the target price that the pattern gives, the target can be found out by the difference between the highest high and the lowest low and adding this difference to this position. इस sell position पे जब इस difference को अपन add कर देंगे, subtract कर देंगे, तो you get the level of your target at the downside. And there are some criteria that support and refute. The supporting criteria is that we can plot a 200-day moving average and the prices should at this point should be above the 200-day moving average. At this level the price should come below the 200-day moving average. And the second supporting criteria is the volume. There should be volume breakout. अगर volume breakout है तो the pattern is more reliable. So this is all about the descending continuation triangle pattern. I hope I have made myself clear. Any queries you have, you can log on to www.inspireeducation.in. Thank you so much.